Cantonese steamed whole fish. A delicious Chinese, Cantonese, main course recipe. This recipe serves to 4 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 10 to 12 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1.5 pounds whole white fish, 1 tablespoon Shaoxing rice wine, a half teaspoon kosher salt, 2-inch piece fresh ginger, 4 stalk scallions, 4 tablespoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon rock sugar or granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons water or fish stock, a quarter teaspoon white pepper, a half teaspoon sesame oil. Step 1. Rinse the fish under cold water, paying close attention to the cavity to remove any remaining blood or scales. Pat the fish extremely dry with paper towels inside and out. Step 2. Make 2 to 3 shallow diagonal slashes on both sides of the thickest part of the fish. This ensures even cooking and allows flavors to penetrate. Step 3. Rub the fish inside and out with the Shaoxing rice wine and a light sprinkle of salt. Let it rest for 10 minutes at room temperature. Step 4. Prepare your steamer setup. Place a heat-proof platter inside a large wok or steamer pot. Ensure there is enough water to boil for 15 minutes without running dry. Step 5. Line the bottom of the steaming platter with the smashed scallion lengths and ginger rounds. This creates a rack for the fish, allowing steam to circulate underneath and preventing sticking. Step 6. Place the fish on top of the ginger and scallions. Stuff the cavity with a few pieces of ginger as well. Step 7. Bring the steamer water to a vigorous rolling boil. Place the platter inside and cover with a tight-fitting lid. Step 8. Steam on high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. A general rule is 8 minutes per pound. The fish is done when the flesh is opaque at the bone and flakes easily with a chopstick. Step 9. While the fish steams, prepare the sauce by whisking light soy sauce, sugar, water, white pepper, and sesame oil in a small bowl until the sugar dissolves. Step 10. Once cooked, carefully remove the platter from the steamer. You will see liquid at the bottom of the plate. Drain this liquid away as it can be fishy in flavor. Step 11. Discard the steamed ginger and scallions from under the fish. Transfer the fish to a clean serving platter if desired. Step 12. Top the fish with the fresh julienne ginger, scallion threads, cilantro, and optional red chili. Step 13. In a small saucepan, heat the 3 tablespoons of neutral oil until it starts to shimmer and just begins to smoke. Step 14. Carefully pour the hot oil directly over the ginger and scallions on top of the fish. It should sizzle loudly, which releases the aromatics fragrance. Step 15. Immediately pour the prepared soy sauce mixture around the base of the fish, not directly over the crispy skin, and serve immediately. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.